Part 7. Adding parked cars with SiClone. Following on from Part 6. Start by creating a new SiClone. Drag out the icon and select the spline path. Next, under Distribute Object Rollup, click Select Objects and select the cars. As you have multiple objects that share the same spacing, select all objects, then change to an ordered layout pattern. Adjust the spacing and position as required. Click on Follow Spline Orientation to align the cars to the road. In our case, we use Chaos Cosmos to download additional ones. Now select the car SiClone and add the new cars as distributed objects. All the settings previously created will be used. We may want to adjust the end offset to push the parked cars back from the camera. Please continue to Part 8, where we use the Disperse plugin to paint people along the street.